Hi, welcome back to Tiny RV Cooking. First, I'd like to invite you to like, subscribe, share, and ring that bell for new notification on videos. I'll be putting out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. So today, I'll be making power breakfast cookies. If you'd like to see how I make this super easy recipe, stay tuned and I'll show you how. I found this recipe from the website A Couple Cooks. I'll put a link down below. The cookies are vegan, vegetarian, and gluten-free. The ingredients we're going to need are unsweetened applesauce. One of these packs is a half a cup. 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. 1/3 cup of peanut butter or almond butter. I'm using almond butter. 1/2 cup of maple syrup, or you can use honey. If you're going to use maple syrup, use the real stuff. Don't use imitation. Real stuff is actually good for you. There is stuff in there that's really good for you. Old-fashioned oats, you want 3 cups of that. And I'm doing cranberries, and you're going to need 1/4 of that. Time to put all our ingredients together. To our bowl, we're going to add our old-fashioned oatmeal. Our applesauce. One-third of cranberries. You can also put like mini chocolate chips in it with raisins, or just plain mini chocolate chips if you want the little on the sweet side. These are great to make a bunch in advance, put some in the freezer, and you can take it out as you need it. If you go to work, you can just grab them. I put 1/3 teaspoon of salt in, or hiking, or whatever you need. Even travel day breakfast, perfect. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. One teaspoon of baking powder. One-third almond butter. 1/2 cup of spray my cups because it makes it easier to pour out your maple syrup, your honey, and all that. See? Pretty much clear. My oven is at preheating for 350 degrees. This looks about right. I have all the almond butter mixed through. We're going to put them on our cookie sheet now. We're going to scoop these out in 1/4 cups. They do not spread out, so the way you put them on is the way they're going to be. You want it like a puck size. So they're going to be like kind of like big. You can kind of shake them out, squeeze them down just a little, form them up like a little ball, and we put them down. I'll show you another one. 1/4 should give you 12 cookies to 18. You can always go 1/3 if you want a little bigger. But I find one of these works just fine. And now they're time to put in the oven. The oven is at 350. I have a temperature gauge. I'm gonna put my cookies in. They cook for 20-25 minutes. I like to rotate mine halfway through, so in 10 minutes I'll rotate it, then I'll come back and it should be done, if not by 20-25 minutes. I'll see you when the cookies are done. It's been 20 minutes. We're going to take our cookies out. I'm going to put them on top of the stove to let them cool for 5 minutes. Then we're going to put them on a cooling rack for 20 before we can try them out. They sure do look good. They look pretty good. They kind of moved a little bit when I turned them around. A couple of them by accident when I was trying to turn them. We're going to let them cool for 5 and we'll put them on a cooling rack. It's been 5 minutes. We're going to put our cookies on our cooling rack and we're going to let them cool for 20 minutes before we get to try them. I can actually pick them up with my fingers. Easier than with the spatula. I'll be back in 20 minutes when we can try our cookies. And now it's time to plate up our breakfast power cookies. Now for the fun part, we get to try our cookies. And now for the fun part. We get to try our breakfast power cookie. So easy to make, and we did it in our RV oven. Not even a problem. Let's give it a try. Mmm. Mmm. So good. So easy. It's just the right amount. Not too sweet, not too salty, with a little burst of fruit flavor. So good. And really, just really easy to make. You can put these in the refrigerator. They'll last for 2 weeks. You can keep them in a container on your counter. It'll last for a few days. Or you can freeze them up for 3 months. I make a bunch of these and I put them in the freezer, pick out what I need, put them in the refrigerator, and I have it ready for my breakfast when I want to go snack. My son loves these because he works at 5 o'clock in the morning. He just take it to work, have a snack when he needs it, or he eats it on his way for his breakfast. It's just really easy to make. You take it out of trips or whatever. Definitely should try these cookies. Thank you for coming to Tiny RV Cooking. Please like, subscribe, share, and ring that bell for new notification on videos. I'll be putting out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. And please leave in the comments down below what you'd like to see me make in my tiny kitchen. And leave in the comments down below if you made any of these great recipes. My camper is only 22 foot long, but I love her. I'll see you next time on Tiny RV Cooking. Bye.